Men, days, and hours can all change at once. Today you will lock the job as a man-hours total first, then rearrange for the new crew. By the end, you will compute job equals men times days times hours from the known side, divide by the new daily capacity, and scale if the wall size changes. Before calculating, separate what stays fixed from what changes. The job total is fixed in man-hours. Men, days, and hours can trade off against that total. Men times days times hours gives the job in man-hours. Write that product once from the known side. That first move locks the total. Carry that total forward. New men times new hours is the new daily capacity. Divide the job by that capacity to get the days. Scale next. If the second job is twice as big, multiply the day's answer by 2. That rule is what the W's are for. Compute job equals 36 times 8 times 18 equals 5,184 man-hours. Job equals 36 times 8 times 18 equals 5,184 man-hours. Divide 5,184 by 27 times 6 equals 162 to get 32 days. Checksum. Job equals 36 times 8 times 18 equals 5,184 man-hours. New daily capacity equals 27 times 6 equals 162 man-hours day. Days equals 5,184 divided by 162 equals 32 days. Check 27 times 6 times 32 equals 5,184. 32 days. The trap. Both changes push the same way. Answer must exceed 18. Trap. Both changes push the same way here, fewer men and shorter hours. So the answer must be more than 18, and 32 is nearly double. When the two changes pull against each other, decide which factor is larger before you trust a shortcut. In a new men days hours question, which quantity must you identify before any arithmetic? The answer is the job total in man-hours, the fixed governing quantity. Choosing the man-hours total first prevents rearranging the wrong base. You can now lock men, days, and hours as a man-hours total, divide by the new daily capacity, and scale by W when the job size changes. Comment below with one thing that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe for more SSC CGL Quant lessons in this series. Then open the ExamMaster app and drill men, days, and hours while this is fresh.